Good evening, welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked onto Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for September 8th to the 20th. An active pattern from the northeast Pacific into Alaska is expected to lead to an active northern stream with embedded impulses that will eventually dig southeast into an amplified eastern Canada and northeast trough. Here's our trough right here, across this region here, and we have a ridge across the center of the nation. The European is more amplified than the other models with the eastern trough. Monsoonal activity expected up through the southwest and into the Great Basin and the Rockies around the western periphery of an amplified ridge in the plains. So the moisture will be flowing up like this into this area, bringing rain and storms. An easterly wave will cause favorable conditions for locally heavy rainfall from Texas to Florida. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for September 11th to the 15th and a weak trough forecast over western Alaska. See right here. A broad trough is forecast over the west central U.S. And a weak trough is forecast over the northeast into the southeast. A very weak trough. This is for September 11th to the 15th. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, near normal elsewhere for precipitation. Models are at odds here in the east, as some models are shown above, some are shown below, and it really couldn't figure out which way that the models are going, but there's been clear evidence that we're expecting above normal precipitation for a portion of the Four Corners area due to a monsoonal flow, and below normal precipitation for Washington and Oregon. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for September 16th to the 20th. The pattern during the 16th and the 20th is forecast to be progressive. The trough is forecast over western Canada. Is a trough over western Canada, and a ridge is forecast over the Great Lakes and eastern Canada. The ensembles indicate above normal heights across much of the nation. So during this forecast period, forecasting little change in the temperature pattern and the temperature anomalies, but for precipitation, still expecting a monsoonal flow into the Four Corners area, so above normal precipitation is forecast here, and above normal precipitation is forecast for this region. Below normal precipitation is forecast for the northeast. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for September 8th to the 20th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.